Hey, good afternoon. I'm taking this video because there's a power trip in my house and I'm not sure what happened. So then all of this still up and this is the main one that is keep on tripping. When I push, it fall back again. I have closed all the electrical items of all the switch and yet I do not know what happens and I cannot push it up. So then I called the electricians. They suggest me to do one thing. First of all, push all of this go down. Turn off all this because we do not know actually where is the problem because we have turned off all the things and yet we cannot turn on this switch. So we off the power, everything unplugged, it still cannot. So we do not know which power source is having the issues now. So what we do, now we turn on it. You see, it can turn off, turn on. So now we try one by one, turn it on. And see which one tripping. So you just observe this one. I'll turn on one by one. Yep, this is the last one that caused. So this one, in order for temporary to have electric, because now we don't have electric, because it's tripped. So what we do is we turn off this one. We turn off this one because this is the power, this is the issues one, and we turn on this so that we can have our light back. So this is a temporary way or temporary measure to safeguard your refrigerators, maybe you want to use internet, things like that, until the technician reach your house to check what actually this is, which power point or which electricity sockets that is this one connected to. This one require technician to check. But temporary, at least you can continue use your electricity. And also the as important is the refrigerator is still working. Yep, hopefully this is not the refrigerator one. I hope. But anyway, at least I have my internet back. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Happy trying.